CEO office lighting problem, Caimeta AI Lighting can easily solve it for you. The CEO works at a high intensity and fast pace, and the work is stressful and difficult to relax. Constant brightness and monotonous. Traditional lighting is too monotonous, and long-term high brightness makes people tired and irritated. Hard environment. The light is dull, making it difficult to relax and relieve fatigue. Complex control. The walls are covered with switches, and the operation is complicated and cumbersome. Complex system. The intelligent system is complex and you don't know where to start installing. Insufficient scenes. Diverse lighting needs are difficult to meet. Caimeta AI Lighting, with its active intelligence and humanized design, opens up scene-based experiential lighting for you. Let your office not only be a place to work, but also a space for inspiration and comfortable enjoyment. Say goodbye to oppression and create a soothing light environment. Traditional lighting is always harsh and monotonous. The bright light brings a huge sense of oppression, making it difficult for people to relax after a busy day. Caimeta AI Lighting can automatically output customized light and color schemes to create a relaxed and gently changing lighting environment. Every day when the CEO enters the office for the first time, the lights seem to know his intention and automatically start the welcome mode, and the whole space is gently enveloped by a warm yellow light of about 300 lux. The multi-level lighting layout is ingenious, and the key decorative area shines brightly in the interweaving of light and shadow, becoming the visual focus. The ceiling light strips delicately outline the beautiful contours of the space. The bright spotlight makes every color of the art painting come alive. The light and shadow of the space blend with each other and are arranged in a staggered manner, creating an elegant and extraordinary style, which brings joy to the CEO and injects vitality into the work state of the new day. When the CEO turns on his computer to work, the lighting is adjusted intelligently, and the illumination of the desk area is controlled at around 350 lux. Neutral white light is soft and just the right balance, and professional lighting solutions create a comfortable lighting atmosphere. In addition, it effectively avoids visual disturbances caused by too bright or too dark light, allowing attention to be more focused, thereby helping to improve office efficiency. Get rid of complicated controls and enjoy a good lighting experience. To meet the diverse lighting needs of the CEO's office, traditional lighting has to pile up complicated switch groups, and the densely packed switches are difficult to identify. Every operation is like a puzzle game, which is very annoying. In addition, if you want to upgrade to smart control, the complex installation of the smart system is daunting. Caimeta AI Lighting is like a personal butler, effortlessly managing diverse lighting needs. It detects scene changes the moment the CEO enters the office. Provides bright, focused, and comfortable lighting during work. Switch to atmospheric bright light when receiving visitors. Offer soft, relaxing light for breaks. Seamlessly adjusts lighting to meet all needs, eliminating manual adjustments, freeing the CEO from manual controls, making it hassle-free and effortless. No need to worry about complex system installations. Enjoy the hands-off experience of AI-driven smart lighting. Simulates natural rhythms to promote deep relaxation. CEOs often face fragmented, intense work schedules, making high-quality rest crucial in limited time. Caimeta AI Lighting understands this need, innovatively simulating natural rhythms to create a deep rest space for the CEO. When the system detects the CEO resting, the lights shift to a soothing twilight glow. Softly dimming to 15 lux. The color temperature adjusts to 2000 Kelvin for a warm, relaxing ambience. Soft ambient light and calming music transform the office into a serene, private retreat. Humans naturally accelerate the secretion of melatonin. Stress melts away, helping the CEO fall into deep sleep faster. Refreshes the CEO, ready to return to work with renewed energy. Showcases personality and elegance through refined lighting. Caimeta AI Lighting can meet even more personalized needs. Using advanced AI algorithms, it precisely matches the best lighting for collectibles, with a CRI over 95. Like a skilled artist, it brings out the intricate details and colors of artwork. Whether it's the smooth luster of jade, or the delicate colors of fine paintings, it brings out true colors and textures, showcasing the CEO's refined. Simulating sunlight spectrum based on plant type and growth cycle, it optimizes red and blue light for healthy plant growth. Lush greenery not only beautifies the office, but also creates a relaxing atmosphere, harmonizing work with nature. Caimeta AI Lighting, the light of knowing you. Empowering with light, helps the CEO embark on a new career journey.